What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of $20 Chef. Today we're throwing a little effort out there, all right? We're going on a date to nowhere. You better be putting in effort in this relationship, okay? Because if you don't, someone else will. Next thing you know, you're gonna have a bunch of tears in your eyes, right? Swiping everybody on Tinder because your lady left you because you didn't put any goddamn effort in. So we're not gonna let that happen. Obviously, the first move of the day on this sweet date, you walk into a liquor store. So now, next move, the grocery store. Grab a bag of ice. Got ourselves a little thermo bag here, okay? Great date bag, over the shoulder. Keeping it moving. We're gonna grab some berries. Chicks love berries. Get a couple different colors, obviously. Honeys love color. Then we're gonna stop at a little dessert spot. Pick up some desserts, grab a couple of bikes, head to Penn Station, jump on the LIRR, which is the Long Island Railroad, because you can drink on the LIRR. Do some research. All we're gonna do is hop on that train and go for a ride to nowhere. So let's go handle it. Stop 2 on a 3-stop effort move, okay? Now what you do is you go to a store, you're planning your shit, you ain't got no table to set up. I'd suggest you find yourself a bike with 3 baskets on that bitch. This is a good date if you're on a vacation somewhere, right? You don't have a cutting board and a knife and shit, so you just get stuff that's already ready to go. I got the berries, here they are. I don't gotta cut nothing up, I don't need a kitchen, okay? Got a bag of ice, I got my unnamed cola, some soda water. Boom, we out. All right, stop 3. Picked up a couple of s'mores cookies, never even heard of those. Now we got left to do is now throw on a nice shirt, grab the bikes, grab our date, and make it happen. All right, we're ready to go. Got all the date supplies I need. I got my date, Miss Liz Gonzales. We're hitting these bikes.
I even wore a dress for you.
She wore a dress, but she fixed it because we're riding bikes, so it's gonna be okay. We're not gonna put on a show for the city. Let's go do it.
Let's see what a date you are. I really wish I would have brought a hairband.
You don't have a hair tie?
No, we're going bike. Fellas, take notes.
And boom.
Where are you taking me?
Well, I'm gonna take you absolutely nowhere.
It's a really bad date, I just want you to know.
Yeah, well, hey, let it happen first before you get negative. And we are gonna get on a train, find a table, and drink, and hang out, and then figure out if this is gonna work out or not.
And what happens if it doesn't?
Hey, it was a good run.
How does this video end?
With a hug. All right.
Here we go.
Let's go nowhere. Ladies first.
After me?
Boom. Train doesn't have tables. Doesn't matter though.
Right here.
Low enough. So I got you first.
I'm really excited, by the way.
Do you like s'mores and cookies?
Hell yeah.
Boom. There's a s'more. There's that. Try that out. Hit them with the berries and fruit. Look at that. All that color. Honeys love color.
It's got kiwi in there too.
Everything.
You don't see that too often. This cookie's
Right.
delicious.
And then obviously, we're having some cocktails, Liz. We're both Mexican,
Okay.
obviously.
Obviously.
I'm only Mexican enough, I say, because I don't speak Spanish, but I say I'm
We
Mexican.
can work on that.
I'm Mexican enough that I can move to like a Midwestern city and open up a salsa school without any knowledge of how to salsa dance, and then people would come.
You know what? You can dance. See, I can't salsa dance. You got that on me.
So obviously, we got a little setup here. We're doing it. We have a table, but we're improvising. Look at that look at that handwork by me. Not a drop spilled.
Well done. None for the homies.
That's it.
Honest reaction. This is the best rum and coke I've ever had.
Now, I have some cool, good dates, but I think one of the more impressive things anybody's ever done for me was one time I was dating a girl, and she stole a bike to come see me because her phone died. She couldn't call Uber, and there was no cabs. So I was flattered that someone would commit a crime and just to come hang out with me for a little while.
I mean, it's pretty impressive. Was she 15?
She was actually 28.
So absolutely no crimes were committed of any kind.
What's this? I don't even know what this fruit is.
Oh, papaya.
Look at that. Mexican papaya for the Mexican honey. I'm telling you, we got variety here. You need variety, it's effort.
Blueberries, antioxidants. We drink a little too much, get a little antioxidant.
Good for the skin. I got a lazy eye, but I got nice skin. I'll take it.
Great skin, that's true. Good hair.
Good hair and nice skin trumps lazy eye. So if you got arrested when no one knew, you just got arrested out of nowhere, what would your family and friends think crime you committed?
How long have I been missing? How long have I been in jail?
Let's say a day and a half.
Probably would think that I got in a fight with somebody on the street over my dog.
Which is, I would fight somebody over my dog.
Somebody accidentally kicked my pup. I'd go to prison for that.
I think personally my friends would think that I got a good dope connection, got caught bringing a couple of pounds from someplace I shouldn't have been anyways.
Mexicans, am I right?
This is where this date is going to end on this camera. Doesn't mean it's going to go farther. Listen, I can bring you to the water. I can show you the food. I can't make you eat, okay? And that's it. Be creative. Show some effort. See you guys next episode. Cheers, Liz.
Cheers. Thank you.